In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a play button using Inkscape in just under 90 seconds. And the best part is that you can download the asset made in this video using the link below. So let's get started. First, you are going to have to download Inkscape if you don't have it. It's free and open source, which is pretty cool. Then create a new document. Right click and go to document properties. Make the width 250 and the height 100. Now select the rectangle tool and click and drag the rectangle to whatever size you want it to be and let go. You can readjust the size anytime by moving these squares that are at the corners. Then go to the object menu at the top and press on align and distribute and center the rectangle on both the vertical and horizontal axis. To make the button look more bubbly, while using the rectangle tool, we will grab these circle things and move it around the shape, making the edges more rounded. Then we will set the color to a darker shade by using the colors at the bottom. Duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl D and move it a little to the left and up to give the button a more 3D look and feel. Now change the color of the duplicated shape to green. You can add text by using the text tool and typing the word play. You can change the font and size at the top to fit your style and change the color of the text to white using the colors at the bottom. Now all you have to do is export the image that we have just created using the export tab. You can change the final image size here if you need to. And congratulations, you've created your very own play button using Inkscape that you can use in games that you develop. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to show some love and comment what else you need for your game. Thanks for watching and see ya.